Welcome to our channel, Lead with Spark, where we explore strategies that make teams excel. Today, we're diving into a critical element of workplace success, trust. But not just any trust, we're uncovering the behaviors that set high-performing teams apart. Trust is the cornerstone of high-performing teams. It leads to higher engagement, creativity, and productivity. Did you know that only 8.7% of teams are considered high-performing? That's less than 1 in 10. So, what's their secret? Today, we're uncovering 5 key behaviors that these top-tier teams use to build trust and achieve outstanding results. These insights come from Ron Friedman's study at Ignite 80, combined with expert analysis. Let's dive in. Number 1, they don't leave collaboration to chance. Picture this, you're starting a new project. What's your first move? If you're like most teams, you probably jump right into assigning tasks. But high-performing teams, they're 3 times more likely to do something different. High-performing teams don't leave collaboration to chance. They take a proactive approach right from the start. First, these teams are 3 times more likely to discuss how they'll work together before starting a project. It's like setting the rules of the game before you play. Second, team members share their strengths and communication preferences. This creates a foundation of understanding and respect. Lastly, they plan for challenges. By creating strategies for potential collaboration breakdowns, they're prepared for any bumps in the road. It's like setting the rules of the game before you start playing. Here's a pro tip. Try having a keystone conversation before your next project. Cover these points. What tasks do you excel at? How do you prefer to communicate? What have been your best and worst collaboration experiences? And don't forget to create a plan for when things go wrong, because let's face it, they sometimes do. Number 2, they keep colleagues in the loop. Information is power, right? Well, high-performing teams take this to heart. These teams practice proactive sharing. They go out of their way to keep colleagues in the loop, creating a culture of inclusion. This transparency isn't just nice, it's beneficial. Studies show it fosters trust, creativity, performance, and even profitability. Importantly, team members take individual responsibility for informing others. They don't rely solely on managers to disseminate information. So, next time you learn something valuable, don't wait for your manager to spread the word. Take the initiative and keep your teammates in the loop. Number 3, they share credit. We all love a pat on the back, don't we? But here's where high-performing teams really shine. When it comes to recognition, high-performing teams shine in their approach to sharing the spotlight. These teams acknowledge others, sharing recognition for accomplishments with teammates. This fosters a sense of appreciation among colleagues. By sharing credit, they promote a norm of reciprocity, which contributes significantly to building trust. And here's a bonus. Sharing credit actually makes individuals appear more likable without diminishing their perceived capabilities. It's a win-win strategy. Number 4, they see disagreements as opportunities. Now, this might surprise you. High-performing teams don't necessarily have fewer conflicts. The difference lies in how they view and handle those disagreements. High-performing teams don't avoid disagreements, they embrace them productively. These teams maintain a positive perspective on disagreements, viewing them as opportunities for better decisions and growth. They're skilled at handling conflicts effectively, preventing disagreements from becoming personal. The focus stays on needs rather than failures. This positive view of conflict reduces tension, making disagreements less stressful and decreasing the likelihood of colleagues lashing out. So, next time you're in a heated debate with a colleague, remember, it could be the key to your next breakthrough. Number 5, they proactively address tension. Last but not least, high-performing teams don't let tension simmer. They tackle it head-on. These teams take initiative in resolving conflicts. They don't wait for problems to escalate. They practice open communication, showing interest in hearing if they've upset a teammate. High-performing teams approach relationships with a growth mindset, believing that workplace relationships can be improved through effort. Most importantly, they view tension as temporary and believe that relationships can be salvaged. This optimistic outlook drives their proactive approach to addressing issues. They believe that even the best work relationships have ups and downs, and most importantly, that damaged relationships can be repaired. So there you have it, the 5 secrets of high-performing teams. Let's recap. 1. Don't leave collaboration to chance. 2. Keep colleagues in the loop. 3. Share credit. 4. See disagreements as opportunities. 5. Proactively address tension. So how does all this come together? Let's look at the big picture. Trust in high-performing teams isn't built from the top down. It emerges from everyday peer-to-peer interactions. These behaviors facilitate better communication and stronger teamwork. Remember, trust grows organically through the behaviors exhibited by all team members. It's not just a management responsibility, it's everyone's job to contribute to this culture of trust. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these strategies do you think your team could benefit from the most? Leave a comment below and let's discuss. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more tips for workplace success. Until next time, keep building that trust and watch your team soar.